Hello guys, FX Bright here. So I want to show you guys this very important thing that's going to be happening in V75, and this is the prophetic strategy I'm talking about. Now the reason I won't be taking this on live trade is because I don't trade 1 minute, right? I'm showing you guys this on 1 minute time frame so you can see that it works every single time, right? You know, the charts replicate itself in different time frames. So I want this to work. I want to show you guys quickly so you guys can see how this will work. Now this is where volatility 91s is right now, and you can see what it's doing right now. But we're not going to be selling volatility 91s here, even though you can see a little bit of something going on here. We're going to be selling you're going to sell this one when the price gets to somewhere. You see this particular zone here. This is the zone we're going to be waiting for price to get to. The moment price gets to this point, I'm going to put a red line there, and you're going to see what price will do when price gets there. Now, like I said, I always told you guys, you know, it's not really about the supports that is happening here. It's not really about the support. There is something else happening in the market, in the overall places, that will make these particular points be the point for you to place major sales even on this 1 minute time frame. If I'm going to be trading 1 minute time frame on this stuff, on this particular point, I'm going to be loading my position here with maximum, right? You're going to see what price will do the moment price touches this particular red line. So I'm going to just wait on this video, and you can wait to just see what price is going to do the moment price touches that line. Alright guys, so you can see what is happening in the chart right now. I had to, go out for a bit so we can see what took place. This is where I called out where I was talking about. This is where we left it off here. So this is the line I drew. So you can see how the price came all the way up to this line on the very tip of the line. You can see the move that happened. Now, if this was a 1 hour time frame or 4 hours time frame, this would be several hours of movement of the market. So the most important thing is understanding these particular points where the price started coming down from. Do you understand? Like I said, so it wasn't really about this supports you see here, because obviously there's another support, there's another resistance on this side, and there's support on this side, and resistance and support. So it's not necessarily about the support and resistance, but there are other important activities that happened here that made this price to fall on this particular point. Right, so I'm going to go to other different examples so you can see. This is where the price is right now, but this is where I was calling out that trade. I called it out here. I put this line when it was here, so you can see where it got to and came down. So we'll check out some other examples and now. Alright guys, so take a look at this particular trade. I just had to come right in time. You see where the market is right now. Price is going to be dropping from here, right? And we're going to be seeing price reach somewhere around this point before we get this. It can't pass this level, right? That is the maximum level which price is going to get to. Now just open V10. Now, like I told you guys before, I don't trade 1 minute time frame, but it's still the same concept that I will apply in the higher time frame, and you'll see exactly the same thing happening, and I'll be making a lot of money. That's why I call my trades with utmost precision. So guys, I'm just going to hold this particular one for you guys to see how price, somewhere around this point is where price will be stopping, right? Somewhere around this point. So this particular candle is going to finish, then another one will come somewhere around here. That's where we'll be exiting this trade if we are going to be taking it. Remember, this 1 minute time frame, I don't trade 1 minute time frame, but if I were to do it, I'm going to be hitting those positions here with major lot sizes, and we're going to be dropping down. So just watch what's going to happen, right? And would probably find one more example. It's going to look like it's going up, but it's not going up. It's just going to come down and hit around that take profit region. Alright guys, so you can see exactly what price has done, just exactly what I was talking about. I told you that this particular point was going to be the last point price is going to get to before it gets to this side. So now guys, I'm just talking about the precision in what I'm talking about. This strategy I'm talking about is what I call the prophetic strategy. make a lot of money in this market using this strategy. And if if that's something you want to learn, you can DM me, and I know I'm going to teach you how this works. But this is very interesting, how you can predict the market with optimal precision on every single time frame. All right, guys, so I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want mentorship, do contact me.